makakita rin or makapanood rin mo yung nasa likod. Maraming salamat po.
Heidi!
Welcome pa rin natin ang mga guests on the international number.
I'm ready to go. Pala nagsamin. Sila kinuha mo lang alo. Tanong sa teacher si Samit. Walang na. Ay! Kanta lang siya. Wala si mother. Ay, mother, wala ka. Ako yung mabasa.
Ayan, round of applause to our kids! Thank you so much, kids! Grabe yung mga participation ng ating mga kids. Ayan. Next, we have Jairus Roy Bagorio Espirica. He will receive the Improved Social Skills Award, Improved Gross Motor Skills Award, Most Punctual Award, and Most Type Award. Next we have we also have Amaris Gabriel Vizca. And last but not the very least, for our Excellence Awardees. Next we have Alaina Annabeth Arena Quirino. Congratulations to our Excellence Awardees.